What's up, everybody? My name is Alex. This is Sam.
What's up, everybody?
We are Cosmetic Chemists, and this podcast translates clinical research into routines that actually work for Black and brown skin, giving you the dermatology insights you need to make better decisions, stop wasting money, and get real results without the guesswork. Skincare is not complicated, but most of the information out there was not built around the biology of Black and brown skin. Not because of bad intentions, because the research and the products are developed for a different default. So here's how most skincare conversations go. Someone tells you a product is good. You buy it. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. If it doesn't, you try another one. And you cycle through that for years until you either find something that seems to stick or you just give up and settle for whatever's not actively making things worse.
I did that for a long time.
Most people do. And it's not wrong. That's how most people navigate skincare. But it's also expensive and it's slow. And if you're dealing with something like hyperpigmentation or a reactive barrier, it can actually make things worse before it makes them better. There's a different way to approach it. And it's not about knowing more products. It's about understanding why. Why does that product work for someone else and not for you? Why are dark spots so hard to clear? Why does your skin break out from something that was supposed to calm it down? The difference between knowing what an ingredient does and knowing why your skin responds to it the way it does, that gap is what this show closes.
Yeah, and I spent 2 years using vitamin C the wrong way before I understood why it kept failing. 2 years. The mechanism was off. Once I got that, everything changed.
Exactly. And that's the shift. Not more products, not more steps, just understanding your skin. The concept that holds this whole show together is skin literacy. And that's not a fancy way of saying know your skin type.
It's really not.
It's really not. Skin literacy is understanding how your skin works as a biological system. Inflammation, pigment production, barrier function, cellular turnover. These are not buzzwords. They are the processes your skin is running every single day. And when you understand them, every product decision you make from that point on has logic behind it. Because right now, the skincare industry gives you the tools, but not the manual. And if you don't have the manual, you're guessing. And guessing is expensive. And on Black and brown skin, guessing can trigger some of the problems you were trying to solve, or even new ones.
The switching. That's the one. I used to have a graveyard of half-used serums.
Didn't we all?
Once you understand what's actually happening in the skin, you stop doing that.
Yep. And that's what we're here for. By the end of this season, you won't need us to tell you what to buy. You'll know why something works or why it doesn't, and you'll be able to make that call yourself. That's the goal.
Okay, so I know we haven't even started yet, but the episode I'm personally most excited about is the exfoliation one. Because it's one of those topics where people are doing a lot and getting nothing, or worse. And we're going to walk through exactly why. I have my notes, I have the studies bookmarked, I'm ready.
He's been ready. He has been ready for weeks.
If this sounds like your kind of thing, follow us wherever you listen. If you're on YouTube, like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let us know what you're looking forward to.
Thank you for being here.
See you in episode 1.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.